There is a bear on the table. There is a monkey on the floor. There is a rabbit on the chair. There is a bird on the door. There is a lamp on the table. There is a car on the floor. There is a doll on the chair. There is a parrot on the door. And now answer the questions. What is there on the table? There is a bear on the table. What is there on the floor? There is a monkey on the floor. What is there on the chair? There is a rabbit on the chair. What is there on the door? There is a bird on the door.